Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to iron quilt covers. First, always check the care label on your quilt cover for specific ironing instructions. This helps prevent damage to the fabric. Next, make sure your iron is clean and filled with distilled water if you plan to use steam. Lay the quilt cover flat on a large, clean ironing board or a sturdy, heat-resistant surface. Smooth out any major wrinkles by hand before you even turn on the iron. For effective ironing, it's often best to iron your quilt cover while it's still slightly damp. This helps to relax the fibers and remove wrinkles more easily. Begin by ironing the largest, flat sections, working in small, manageable areas. Use long, even strokes, moving the iron consistently across the fabric. To protect the color and design, especially on patterned covers, iron the quilt cover inside out. When you reach the corners and edges, use the tip of your iron to carefully smooth out these areas and any seams. If your quilt cover has buttons, zippers, or other embellishments, iron carefully around them, never directly over them. For very large quilt covers, folding them lengthwise can make ironing more manageable, allowing you to tackle sections without the fabric dragging on the floor. Once you've finished ironing, allow the quilt cover to cool completely before folding it. This helps to set the fabric and prevent new wrinkles from forming immediately. Fold the quilt cover neatly, perhaps into a compact square or rectangle, depending on your storage space. Store it in a dry, cool place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain its freshness. You might even hang it for a few hours to ensure it's perfectly smooth.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.